Okay, so good morning, family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share school lunch boxes that are Passover friendly. I know last year I struggled on with lunch boxes for the girls. No, not last year, the year before. Yeah, 2 years ago I was struggling because I didn't know. When you are used to giving the child bread sandwich, and then all of a sudden you don't have the bread, so you just don't know what to do. So I really was struggling. And then one thing I've learned was to be creative. So I've learned that Passover will humble you to be creative when it comes to lunch boxes for kids. So anyway, I will share what they are having this week. I am already late. I just thought of it now, but it's already Tuesday. But hopefully, yeah. Anyway, I will have up to 4 of them. I have here orange. This is how they prefer their orange to be. They prefer me to cut it in half. So this is just easy for them to eat it if I cut it in half like this. Okay. And then we have an 11 biscuits. I made these myself. So young sister Susanna prefer the sprinkle, so I put sprinkles for her when I was making it. And then the young sister Judith prefer a sugar, so I kind of sprinkled sugar at the top when I was making it. And then I also made the crepes. Guys, look at this. See, I made these crepes as well. So it just means that you can make something from home. So these are the crepes that I also made. These are potato chips. I think some people call them chips. We call them crisps. Anyway, so I made these. I made a good amount of them that would last them at least for a week, because we use these for snack, but we buy the brand Hunkadory. I think it's also from Tato, so that's the one we always use. So then we find out that they have leaven on them, so we won't be able to use them, so I had to make some from home. So that is why I say Passover will humble you. Anyway, then I'm also going to be putting some yogurt drink for them. It's a kind of larger one, so it will fill their stomach. They can have maybe they can drink this in the morning, because the only thing we were able to find the unleavened cereal is the oats, which it takes me some time to make in the morning. But not only that, they don't like it. After me taking time to make it yesterday, they didn't eat it, so I'm not making it today. Anyway, so they're having oranges, they have potato chips, and then they have the unleavened biscuit. Now, these are delicious biscuits. I made these as well, I think I told you. And they are delicious. It's only butter, sugar, and flour. That's all that is in the biscuit. And then the sprinkles, you want to make sure that you check to make sure that they don't have leaven on them. Some of them have leaven on them, some of them don't. So you want to make sure that you check and you get the ones that is just sugar and color, that's all. And then sugar, and then I made plain ones for my Lord. So, and the bigger yogurt drink. It's not the smaller size. I usually put the smaller size, but today I put the kind of larger size so that they can have for breakfast. And yeah, so this is the snack box for today. So let me show you their thermos, because they have also, I have that ready as well already. So this is the snack, and then this is what they are gonna have for the main. So for the main, they are having a spaghetti and beef, and she's having spaghetti and chicken. So this is a stew. This was a leftover stew from last night, so I just made spaghetti this morning. So this is their lunch. So I'm gonna quickly close it before it get cold. I just wanted to show you what they are having. So this is just a leftover stew from last night, and then I just made spaghetti this morning, and they love, so I'm Anyway, I'll probably show you at the end how they eat. Yeah, so anyway, that is what they're gonna have today, and then I'm gonna put some water in their bottles as well. So no matter what type of drink I'm putting for them at the side, I always also put water. So this is the spaghetti for today. Yeah, so that is their spaghetti for today, and I will probably come back again later. So there's no other extra snacks. That's all they are having for the day. I think I showed you the yogurt as well. So I will come back again when they finish school, and so I will see you later. Blessing, you didn't eat your chips?
No, I don't like them.
You don't like the chips? Okay.
I like them.
Fair enough.
I like them a little bit.
You like them a little bit?
Yeah. They're a little bit good and they taste a little bit weird.
They taste a little bit weird?
Yeah, they also taste a little bit.
Okay. And Adora, you didn't like your spaghetti?
No, I just didn't eat that much because I felt a little bit full.
You felt a little bit full? Okay. Ah, okay. You had lots of lunch, lots of things for lunch. We have the yogurt. We have a strawberry. We're trying strawberry today. And then we have the chocolate and vanilla unleavened cake and apples. The same. We have strawberry yogurt, chocolate and vanilla unleavened cake, and some apples. So that is what the girls are having for school lunch today. So this is beef and rice, and then this is on the Passover week. So this is the second day of showing you the school lunch. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna put some water, and that is it for lunch for today. And I'll probably see you when they come back from school. Bye.
Then you practice putting your foot into the shoe and then tying your ankles down. Hope this helps.
This doesn't work very well, but the other one does. I'll show you.
Delivery on orders over €25. I don't want to do this anymore. It really sucks. When you have an X.
Okay, fam, good morning. It is the last day of Passover, so I'm sharing a Passover friendly lunches for kids. So here is what they are having today. We are running late, so I'm gonna be very fast. Here they're having slices of apples and some oranges, and I have the unleavened cake there, which is the vanilla and chocolate, and they have the chips, potato chips. That's their snack box. Both is the same. They are having exactly the same thing. And then here on the main meal, here they have rice and beef. Is not the same as the one they had yesterday. This one is the one with vegetables. So I'm laughing because my daughter, immediately I mentioned vegetables, she looked at me. Anyway, so yeah, so that is so I was able to use the same cake for 2 days at least. And so that's the lunches for today. And then I'm gonna put a bottle of water, and yeah, or she's saying juice instead of water. Anyway, sometimes I put a small bottle of juice, and then I put water in the bigger bottle. So anyway, I'm gonna go now, and I will see you after school.
So I just retied my shoe, Mommy.
It's a letter.
I retied my shoe.
Well done, Mama. That's still good.
And then to untie it, I just do this.
Very good. Yeah, you see how easy it is to untie?
I've done enough sorting out for one day. I think it's time to leave. Look, can I just... Can I speak to you? Strange things happening.
Aja, you didn't like the rice today?
Alright, just take your time and say what you need to say. No, what did this say? It didn't have much stew and
Okay, so here is what the girls are having today, but Blessing is not going to school because she have eye infection. So but before I discover that, I've already made lunch anyway. So these sliced apples, watermelon, the potato chips, and leaven cake, the vanilla and chocolate. The same sliced apples, watermelon, the vanilla and chocolate and leaven cake, and potato chips. And then here, I have beef and potatoes. Okay, so that is their lunch for today. So I'll see you when, oh okay, I also have some yogurt drinks as well for them, and I'm gonna put water. So that's their lunch for today. See you when they come back.